Depositing money into your Saxo bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your funds are transferred smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Saxo bank platform by entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the deposit section. Once logged in, find the deposit or funds section in the main menu. This is where you can initiate a new deposit. Step 3. Choose your deposit method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter deposit amount. Input the amount you wish to deposit into your account. Ensure that it meets any minimum deposit requirements set by Saxo Bank. Step 5. Confirm and complete the deposit. Review all the details of your deposit, including the amount and payment method. Once confirmed, follow any additional prompts to finalize the transaction. After completing these steps, your deposit should be processed according to the method chosen. Always check your account balance to ensure the funds have been credited.